Hey guys, welcome to this video. Happy to see you here, and now is the time to explore the publishing tools. This is great and you will be amazed of all the data that you can collect here and the powerful tools that we are about to talk here on this video. So here we are on the Strategies for Entrepreneurs Facebook page. And if we see the top menu, we have page, messages, notifications, insight, and publishing tools. So if we click on publishing tools, we see the data and the menu. I am not using this for this demonstration. Let me go, because we don't have too much traffic here. This is a brand new page. So let me go to my Camino de Santiago page. And in here, if we go to publishing tools, we have a community of more than 4,000 people here. We see the options. So here we have four main categories: post, videos, lead ad forms, and canvas. Okay. We will talk about all this. So here on the post, you see the first option is published post. And what is this is interesting for you? How do you can use all these on your advantage? Basically, here we have access to all the posts you ever created on your Facebook page. And you can check the statistics. You can check the reach of the post. You can check how many clicks, how many actions. You can separate the post by videos, articles, links, live videos, pre-recorded videos, and you can have clear statistics of all the things that are happening on your Facebook page. So why this is important? Because you can figure out what people like, what your audience like. If you have, for example, videos, and I'll show you an example here, and you have a great engagement on videos, and when you post like an image, you don't have much engagement, that means your audience prefer video. Let's see, for example, the first one here. If we click on the data, on the first option, you see that this was a live Facebook Live video, a session that I did yesterday specifically. So here we have some statistics. We have more than 1,000 minutes views, and this is like a 12-minute video, 13-minute video. We have almost 1,000 video views. We have the 10-second views, how many people view 10 seconds only and leave the streaming after that, the video average watch time, and the engagement audience. So if we click on audience and engagement, we see here how many people we reach, how many unique views. We have almost 1,000 unique views just for this video. How many post engagement? So we have 210 engagement. That includes likes, comments, and shares on your video. And this is good. You see here the top audience. And this is important because this is super important actually, guys. So super important because this will save you money later. Let's say you want to create a Facebook ad for your audience, and we are doing that later here on the course. And we will have a model where we need to create your target audience. So you need to define where your audience live, where they are connecting from, in which country, which cities, how old they are, from this age to this age, what are their interests, and all that. So here we have a super specific top audience on this post. So you see the top audience are women from 45 to 54 for this video. And the top location is São Paulo, Brazil. So if we click here on the audience, this is great, guys. You see here the top audience, again, women 45, 54. We have 51% men, 49% women. And you see here how many, you see that the women are staying more time on the video. So they are engaging more with my content on this specific post, on this specific video. So why this is good? Because when you are creating your target audience, and I am repeating myself, I know that, but this is important. You know that you need to target people from this age to this age, and you know the gender, you know how many men, how many women, how many times they are engaging with your post, and all that. Also, you can create a post moving forward. You can create a post with this video by using this option. And let's see, for example, so here we have almost 3,000 people reach on this video that I did yesterday. So if we look to this one, for example, which is a picture that I share, you see that the engagement, I only reach 330 people and I have 15 reactions. While in the other one, I had more than 210, actually exactly 210 engagement, and I have 15 here. So looks like my audience prefers video for this specific page, for this specific audience. Doesn't mean that your audience will also prefer video, depending on what you are targeting, what's your goal, what's your topic. So you need to test that, and that's why publishing tools is amazing in order to help you figure that out. Okay, so you have that, you have the schedule posts. In the next video, we'll talk about scheduling posts, and this is powerful because it will help you to post very regularly and save time while you are creating your post. We have the draft, so you can basically create a post, and when you save, it comes here to the draft. You have the expiring post, the videos, you have all the videos you got on your Facebook page, all the videos that you ever uploaded. If you use the filters, you can filter by title, description, views, and you can go to advanced and you can select, for example, the live. I do on this specific page, I do a lot of Facebook Live. My audience love that. They engage with that, they share and they like, they comment. So I can select, I can filter here by live session. Okay, live right now or recorded live. On this case will be recorded live because I'm not live right now. And you see all the videos that I have recorded that I did a Facebook Live on the past. So in here, again, you can click on the video to see this. Let me open another one, this one, for example, to see the statistics. Again, same that we did before. Let's see, it's thinking about it. So great. Here you have the reach and the number of views, 10-second views, unique viewers, and all that. And again, let's see the audience. Here again, guys, this is another video and it's happening exactly the same. Top audience, women, 45-54. So that means I have two top videos with more than 1,000 views. And the top audience for these two videos are women for 45 to 54. So that's telling me something very important for my Facebook ads on the future, okay? You can download this. So if you select a video and you go to action, you can download HD, SD, delete, expire now. You can prohibit embedding. So if you don't want other websites to embed your video on their website, I mean, it's fine. I will leave it because I talk on my video about my product, about my website. So if they want to share with their audience, that's better for me. So think about your case on this. You can view insights, you can edit the video. And the download HD, I really like this because you can download this and put on your YouTube channel, for example. This is video that I did live here. So if I click on download HD, Facebook will deliver to my computer the full HD quality file, video file, and I can upload that to YouTube. So I am reaching people also on YouTube, not only on Facebook. That's a good practice, guys. The only problem here is if you select more than one, you don't have the option to download. So you need to download one by one, basically. The next option is video. You can cross post. This applies only when you go to settings. We went to settings here on the beginning of the course, and you can link other pages to do cross post. That means if you have like 2 or 3 pages that are for similar audience, you can link the pages. So when you create a post, the post will cross post in all your pages. In this case, we don't have any videos here because I don't have other pages linked with this one. Leads for ad forms, we are not talking about this because these are forms that you can create for ads. So you can collect your customer's name and email and create an ad to do that, okay? But we are not using this because on this course, we are doing something that I think is even better because we have the design is better and people really like it, which is creating a landing page here on Facebook. You see here the second option, create your website in 8 minutes. This is my landing page. So if I go here, we are also collecting name and email. And you already know how to do this. If you don't, you will learn here on the course, okay? Okay, let's go back here. So lead forms library, this is again for creating ads to collect customers' name and email. And that's publishing tool. I hope you like it. I hope you are excited. And I invite you, I mean, at the beginning, you won't have too much information here, but when you start creating posts, you start getting likes on your page, increasing your audience, you will see this increasing, and this will help you to grow your Facebook page exponentially. Because if you know this data, if you use this data in order to create new information, in order to create ads, the reach that you will have is unbelievable. See you in the next video.